and because I'm lazy I wanted something that was quick and easy to use.
eBay selling these all mixture ones for your radio set. Don't touch them, they're no good.
Got it wired up to that battery at the moment, 75 amp, running through the solar system in the van. That's the output. It's just going straight into the input on that, so I've got a charge. So that's the 2 meter net on at the moment. There's also a net on 27 megs which will be going on shortly. Got the little LED light up there for light, and then the LED bulb USB there if I need more light. Plus I can stick these to the roof of the van. Extension lead there for USB before I forget. That's saying 11.9, but that's showing the voltage after sort of the load. If I turn all this off, it goes up to like 12 point something. But as I say, I've got power coming in from a 75 amp hour battery, so I'm certainly not going to run out of power. Yeah, Shaft works fine. Cheers, James, for the case. And that's the TYT 9800.
I don't mind at all, to be honest. No, I don't mind at all. It'd be interesting because I've only ever heard my voice twice being recorded, and both times I've realised I've not got a singing voice. So it'd be interesting to hear what I sound like over the radio. So yeah, I look forward to seeing that. Thank you. And I should think probably in the next 15-20 minutes we may get that Burgess Hill station on as well.
Yeah, Rog. Well, yeah, I've got a great face for radio and a terrible voice for radio. I heard my own voice again earlier today and I don't like it. Anyway, yeah.
Issued by the Met Office at 1700 UTC on Thursday the 17th of December 2015. Inshore waters forecast to 12 miles offshore for a period of 1800 UTC Thursday the 17th of December until 1800 UTC Friday the 18th of December 2015. General situation. A strong, very mild and unsettled southwesterly airstream will continue to affect the whole of the United Kingdom during the days ahead. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland, including a strong wind warning, 24-hour forecast. 5 or 6, slight or moderate, occasional rain, fair for a time. Good, occasionally moderate later.
That's Dover Coast Guard. Back to 27 meg.
Ray, let's just turn that radio down. I seem to be monitoring 7 frequencies at the moment in my shack.
Well, excuse me, dry throat. Been up here for about 3 hours. Yeah, about 3 hours. Yeah, Go Box is working well. Sorry about the low light. Crappy old phone. New phone should be in a day or two. Yeah, I've just literally unplugged the feeder for the antenna, tidied everything away, folded the little light down I was using. This little couple of quid, £3 off eBay. Cracking little light though. Uses very little power. That is another light if I do need more light. It's 5 watts. And yeah, just running low light tonight. Just don't need lots of light. Yeah, there we go. Unplug the feeder, close the lid, ready to go home. Job done, sorted. Yeah, used the radio on 2 or 3 modes tonight. Quite impressed with the TYT TH9800. I know it's a clone, but it was 160 quid and it works well. Unlike the first one that sent back. Well, no, got a refund on because it didn't transmit at all. Right, well, that's part 2 over and done with. If you haven't seen part 1, check it out. But it's just me chatting for 20 minutes, wiring it up together. There's nothing really fantastic. It's all simple stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. 73s from M6CTP stroke Charlie Tango 941. Static mobile tonight in fog, rain and horrific wind.